Everybody, Terry the Tiger. I'm gonna rap to Slim Thugs. I run, instrumental. My version is called I Ride. Yeah, I'm the man in Moreno Valley with the bicycle with the roof. Y'all see me on the street, so holla. Sing this song with me if you wanna. Just say this after the Tiger. I ride my bike every night and day. And I ride my bike every night and day. Put the pedal to the metal, put the pedal to the metal, put the pedal to the metal, And I ride my bike every night and day. I just want to get away. Terry the Tiger, watch a hustler, hopping on my bike with the umbrella. And I love America, red, white, and blue. Yes, I'm with you all the way. USA, send me with my bike. Be like, hey, hey, tryna get my out, stay in and out your way. And if you get in my way, it's okay. I got no beef with nobody. I'm just tryna live peacefully. I'm going down the street like Speedway Soul, like Night Rider. That's right in California. Go down for Moreno Valley, 951. Having fun under the sun. See me on the run. I ride my bike every night and day. And I ride my bike every night and day. Put the pedal to the metal, put the pedal to the metal, put the pedal to the metal. And I ride my bike every night and day. I just want to get away. I be cruising, I tell you how I'm feeling. I got my B-bikes popping, you know I be like turning in the right direction. I get to my destination, and I just be arriving. I go to like the store and get something to eat, and then I'm looking like around on my bicycle. See I pick the pedal, that's right. I be like turn the handlebars, watching out for the cars, moving like a superstar. And you know like who you are, know it's like the Tiger, the spreader. I keep like going much faster and faster, but I gotta pay attention to where I'm going. I don't want no collision. I ride my bike every night and day. And I ride my bike every night and day. Put the pedal to the metal, the pedal to the metal, put the pedal to the metal. And I ride my bike every night and day. I just want to get away. I go it like a bicycle adventure. And I go out somewhere and just explore. I've been to Paris and I've been to Lake SNO. I've been to Riverside, on the other side, Mobile, here and there, everywhere. Feel like Super Dave doing up my tricks down. Yeah, check it out, like Evel Knievel, the black Evel Knievel with my helmet. I feel like speeding and speeding. But I watch out, stopping at the street light. Bike looks like a cow. That was funny, but it's alright. People wanna holler at me. Yeah, I got my B-I-K-E. Just got my soul right before you spun me. But I pick up my phone and I'm about to take off like David Hasselhoff.